Back in the spring, put out 3 hummingbird feeders. Lo and behold, 2 or 3 would show up. They would leave, 2 or 3 more. All summer, they was just off and on, 2 or 3, maybe 4. And come back toward the fall, the hummingbird was on their travel back to South America. And it's funny how they chest bump when they fight. It's real comical just to sit and watch them. We had our first cold spell. We had 19 birds to stay. The second night it got cold. We've had 4 to stay. And it's amazing how big a little bitty hummingbird will get as big as $50. Now we're down to 2 hummingbirds, and they will probably be leaving shortly. This is